Good afternoon, students. Today I am going to show you the concept of binary operation. There are four types of binary operation, that is binary addition, binary subtraction, binary multiplication, and binary division. First, I am starting the concept of binary addition. So, as we know, binary the number system deals with only 0 and 1. So first we have to know, if we add 0 with 0, the output will be 0. If we add 0 plus 1, the output will be 1. If we add 1 plus 0 as same as 1, 1 plus 1, it will be 0 as an answer and 1 as carry forward. Carry forward means, see, 1 plus 1 in decimal, that is 2. The binary of 2 is 10. So we will write 0 as an answer and 1 will be carry forward. Suppose I am adding, I am showing an example, 1 1 0 1 1 1, right? So okay, one thing we have to keep in our mind, that 1 plus 1 is 11. So 1 is answer and another 1 is carry forward or carry bit. If we add 4 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, it will be 100. 0 answer and 10 will be carry forward. Because see, if we add 3 1, the output is 3. So the binary equivalence of 3 is 11. So 1 is my answer and another 1 is my carry forward. Now if we add 4 1, then 4 1 means 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 4 1 means the answer is 4. And the binary equivalence of the 4 is 100. So 0 will be answer and 10 will be carry bit. So now see the example. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 10 and 1 will be the carry bit. Now 1 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. Because I have seen that I have showed you that if we add 3 1, the output would be always 11. So 1 and 1 is carry bit. There is no other bit. So it will be 1 1 0 1. So 1 1 0 1 will be the answer of addition of two 1 1 0 and 1 1 1 number bits. Now subtraction. Subtraction is 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. But if we might subtract 0 minus 1, where this is called the number which is going to be subtracted from another number is higher from the number from which it is going to be subtracted. So it is smaller than this. So the output 0 minus 1, here it will be 1 will be the answer and borrow bit will be 1. So now if we subtract 1 1 1 0 1 0 0 1, see, it is 0. 0 is smaller than 1. Then we have to carry a bit from its previous bit, that is 1. So now I am giving this 1 to its next bit. Now the number is 10 because I am forwarding the 1 to the next bit, that is 10. So it will be reduced by 1, value will be 0 because 1 is not present here. So the 10, the binary of 10 is 2. So now subtract 2 minus 1 is 1. See, 2 minus 1 is 1. Now here 0 minus 0 will be 0, 1 minus 0 will be 1, 1 minus 1 will be 0. So the final output is 1 0 1. Okay. So this is the concept of the binary addition and subtraction.